have a broken exhaust manifold. Let's see if I can get the mileage. This is an L33 out of an 05. There it is, 121,778. Obviously, great oil pressure, 120K. Obviously, we will fix the exhaust manifold and or put, headers with it. We don't know what you're doing if you're projecting with it. But if you're looking for a great running L33, 315 horse, flat tops, 799 heads, give us a buzz here at Just Chevy Trucks. In fact, let me do this. Oh, God, thank you. The number here at Just Chevy Trucks and LSX for you is 207-457-5500. And thanks.